Hi, English 111 students. Welcome to the Start Here section of the course. So this is the first week of class, and you'll notice on the course schedule that it gives you the dates of how long each section of the class lasts, and then underneath it tells you each assignment and its particular due date. So the Start Here section lasts for this first week. Next week is Module 1, so that's why it has a number 1 next to it. And then we jump into Module 2, and from there, most of the modules are 2 weeks. These first two are just 1 week each because it's just introductory material. So this Start Here section is a place to practice. There are 2 assignments that are key in this particular section. The first is a discussion board. This is a place where you post posts and you can reply to other students and you can read other students' posts. This is an important piece of every single module from here on out. You will have multiple discussion boards. The discussion boards are a place for students to work with each other. I will be active on this first one because I will introduce myself as well. But then from pretty much here on out, the discussion boards are your spot. I will be reading them and giving you a grade for them. But for the most part, I want the discussion board to be the place that you guys talk to each other and work with one another. For the vast majority of the discussion boards in the course, they are places where you are going to be sharing the topic for whichever essay we're working on at that point. And then you get to read what other people are writing about. That is incredibly useful because it helps you brainstorm. And then you're going to be required to respond to one another and to offer each other more ideas and more information. Like, wow, if I was reading this essay that you're going to write, I'd like to know blah, blah, blah. And so just that interaction really helps kind of spur thinking before you actually start putting the essay together. So this week you're going to do a practice discussion board where you're just introducing yourself and talking to each other. So every discussion board asks you to post your post that answers the question or whatever it is I'm wanting you to post. And then by the due date that's listed on the course, respond to at least 2 other people. So there's at least a bit of conversation going on with everybody. The other piece that is part of this week is turning in an assignment. So all of your essays, your journals, outlines that you're going to be doing over the course of the semester are all assignments where you work on it on your computer, you save that document, then you come to this assignment and you upload that document and submit it. So this is a place for you to practice that. This assignment for this particular week is, it's got a weird name, I'm sorry. It's called the diagnostic essay. It sounds very invasive, I'm sorry. Really, that's all it is an essay that shows me what you know. And that's all I'm grading it on. So if you do it, and there's obviously effort, like you don't just write 2 or 3 sentences, but it's actually an essay, you get the points. Because I'm not grading this particular essay in a traditional way. This is a chance for me to see how you write right now. Because if the entire class already does something really well, I'm not going to spend time on it. I'm going to move on and work on other things. So this particular essay is a really good spot for me to get information just about how you write and what you're thinking and how you put that into words, because that's going to help me know what I need to focus on this semester. That's all this essay is. So I do want to see your best effort. I do want to see your best kind of college-y, academic-y kind of writing because it lets me know everything I need to know about the way you write for the academic world. So that's this week. So I encourage you, again, work each module or each section of the class from the top down. Read what's in the intro, do whatever reading or open whatever documents there are that's posted, then move down the page and do the assignments that are in that particular section. Use your course schedule. Make sure you're staying on top of that. And I look forward to reading the discussion boards and introducing myself to all of you guys again and seeing who all's in this class. All right, I'll see you on the discussion board. Have a good week.